been a 6-pounder a little while back when it was full. But today we've got a grasshopper. Oh!
Hey, welcome to Bass and Bonsai.
Hello everybody, welcome to Bass and Bonsai. We're back out on the water again on a Sunday. This time we're hitting it at night, and we do have Emily with us again.
Hi there.
We do have to get Emily to speak up in videos. I have a loud mouth. I've been good at it all my life. Evidently Emily's not used to speaking very loudly. So we're gonna get her to work on that. We do have some other yahoos out in the boat fishing along. They're in our spot. We got here first and they snuck in right, didn't they? They just took our spot from us. So anyway, we're gonna get out here and see what we can do, try different baits. It's kind of wind, sun's coming down, so I'm thinking topwater will start working. What do you think?
I brought a lot of dollar lures.
Got a lot of cheap Walmart lures. We're gonna see what we can do. So, all right guys, buckle up, hang on. Here we go. Wish us luck. Finally out on the water, and it is not early morning. It is getting towards the evening. It's 7 o'clock, just after 7. So we got a couple hours of daylight, good strong breeze, some clouds. We're gonna try to get out here and catch a big largemouth bass. I'm gonna try to keep from hooking Emily in the head.
Thank you.
But I am gonna try to fish right where her big bass came from last time we were here. Oh! And I got one. It's not a monster, but it's a good one. If I can get it in, it's about a pound, maybe. All right, we're on the board.
It's an Emily fish.
Let's see if I can get a hold of him without hooking myself. All right, we got him. That's about a pound.
Yeah.
Good guess. Give it a kiss. Probably need a picture, but we ain't got time for that. We just got here. We got to catch some more fish. Ain't nobody got time for that.
No.
I can almost guarantee you the person on the bank will not beat the person in the boat.
I hear that all the time.
I know I can't fish anywhere near as good from the bank as I can in a boat, no matter where. There we go. That is, oh boy. Oh boy. It's gonna jump. And it's like a 3-pounder. Maybe bigger. Hopefully it stays on. Emily who? Oh, that's a good one. Bigger than 3 maybe, I don't know. I didn't snag him.
It's probably competition.
It's probably only about 2.5 or 3. Very white. It's either been real deep or something, I don't know. Well, I'm gonna figure out how to get it unhooked. Mwah. All right, we got a quick pick. We're gonna turn this baby loose. Here we go. Yeah, you're all right. Ow! It bit me.
Here, I'll throw it back out.
All right, I was sitting there rigging up my frog.
Oh, bad luck, Chuck. Bad luck, Chuck.
Hey, I didn't do anything. She did have a fish. I watched it jump. All right, see you later. All quiet.
Camera 1, camera 2. What movie is that from?
Yeah, it's a guy and he's closing one eye. And I can't remember the goofball that's doing it though. It'd come to me if you gave me enough time, but who is it?
Who does the Foxy song and does the ears? Foxy.
Oh, I'm drawing a blank because I'm fishing.
Party on, Wayne.
Oh.
Party on, Garth.
Yeah, Mike Myers. It's just not close. There we go.
Finally. Oop, oop, oop.
Hang on.
Oop, oop. It's a fighter. It's a fighter.
Yeah, it's a good bass.
Yeah, I can feel it on this pole.
Be careful.
Ooh, grab it.
Hang on.
Oh, I knew that. No.
We saw it.
No.
We saw it. You guys saw it at home.
You got a boat under your camera or not?
It
counts
camera
too.
in the boat. No. All right. That one counted. I'm giving Emily those 2 fish just for the fact that I don't know why, but so I think we're even now. We've each caught 2.
We caught the same fish twice, no judge.
I gave mine a kiss and sent them back on their way. Now, did you actually catch that one with gunk on there when you cast it, or were you cleaning it?
I kept it on there just
I've
for
always
the
wondered
point.
that.
That's a little much.
Yeah, that's a little.
Mine was like a streamer. I'm like, it's just adding to its natural environment, you know?
Yeah, I don't know if you guys are like me, but I like to keep every little green, any gunk, I completely get it off the hooks and everything else. But me and Emily are having that talk, and I think she's been casting out with some green on the top and on some of the hooks and still catching bass.
I ain't gonna sacrifice these things any more than they already have to be.
So a little gunk, I guess, as long as it still makes its movement. Oh, hang on. Then it's fine. But I don't know. I've always been a stickler as far as when I see a little speck of anything on my baits, I clean it off.
The vibration. Oh,
there we go.
Free. It's a good one.
I might have to put. Whoa! I might have to put one of those on.
Crikey! Oh, grab it! Get it in here.
Whoa!
Whoa!
All right, we got it.
It's a keeper.
Yeah, it's a keeper that's getting thrown back, but not before we get a pick.
Stay on there, Gary.
Gary. Name all your fish Gary. No, just this one. He's a Gary. He looks like a Gary.
He does.
All right. Whoa. Got it?
Yep, I got Gary.
All right. You want to pick yourself from your camera, or you're good?
Hi, welcome back to Bonsai. I'm Emily. I'm speaking excessively loud. You like this?
We need a 5-pounder, but yeah, that's good. Perfect. Nailed it. Maybe I can Avengers a big, huge bass on there like the size of the Hulk.
Yeah.
There we go. I just was sitting down, not even filming, giving Emily her hole again. It's not lies, trust me.
I don't even know how to use these.
Yeah, squeeze it.
You magically trapped them.
Here, I'll show you.
Is it like...
I'll show you how to. That's why I said I'll show you how to use them. All right, look at that. Mwah. Nice bass. You figure them out? You like turn it?
Is this a shaking joke?
No.
Is this a prank? Is it a practical prank?
No. Once you get them figured out, it's real easy.
I don't want to be taking your bait, Massa.
Well, put it in my seat so I can sit on it.
Hey, you threw me.
Way to go.
You handed me my fish, I handed you a fish. You know what I'm saying?
That would have been bad. All right. We're hoping that the fun hasn't even really started here, boys and girls. We're hoping we get on some topwater fish, but we have done pretty good already.
See if I can reenact this. Don't cast. Here we go.
You're like, just tell me when you give up, and then I'm gonna throw this worm in that spot.
No.
Watch me catch like a 6-pounder. Oh, you would be mad.
Yeah, lean over and grab it. It didn't let him go.
There you go. Can I throw now?
No. There you go.
Here, let me sit down.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Over there. Whoa. What do you want me to do?
But you're trying to not be bad luck Chuck. You're going back to good luck Charles.
Okay.
Thanks. There's so much moss.
Yeah, start reeling. Okay.
When I came fishing last time.
All right. Can I cast in this hole over here? All right. I'm going to show the folks at home the power of the worm, the finesse, the BFS setup. We're going to cast it right up there, and I'm going to pull a fish out of that hole, or my name isn't Charlie Hicklin. It's not Charlie Hicklin. Or my name isn't Bad Luck Chuck. Emily has made about 150 casts into this hole.
Why?
I'm going to make, this is my very first cast.
35th, who's counting?
Into that hole.
Wow. It's not a bass.
And like that, magic. Just like magic.
It's not the fish I caught, so it's fine.
No, it's a little one. But it is a bass
It's a good
on the worm. Give it a kiss. Mwah.
Oh my God, mossless my. Oh.
Problems?
No. I believe that's the full-blooded species.
Are we even now, or who's ahead? I lost count. I think she may still be one up on me. I gave her that awesome bait that she decided to not throw anymore because it was just, catching fish. All right, boys and girls, as you can see, the sun is going down behind the treetops. Bill Dance is asleep. So we're going to come out here, I am anyway, and I'm going to start using topwater. I think Emily's already switched to it. All right, buckle up. Hang on. Going to the shallow side. Got junk already on the trolling motor. That's all right. We don't care. Whoa, get through there. Nope. Yep. Nope. It's like 4x4. We're in 4x4 mode. There's fish right there moving out of the way. Break on through to the other side. And here we are.
I knew it.
There we go.
Yeah. I'm like, you ever threw one of these and just threw it? It goes up and down with no popping action.
Yep. Good
I
job.
love that. Fatter than appears. Oh. Scary. Oh.
You done poked Gary's eye out.
Sarah McLaughlin is like hating me right now. Oh, sorry. Hope you're a masochist. All right. No.
Nice.
Scary.
Gary was nice.
Yeah.
We'll have to watch this.
Watch.
We completely missed.
Up. It'll come back up, back down.
So she caught that one just by reeling it back a popper.
If it goes up and down, it makes it
I'm not sure
action.
what brand that is.
Oh.
If I know Emily at all, I'm sure it didn't cost much more than $1.
Trail. Walmart special. It looks a whole lot like the one from Bass Pro that I had. Except for it's purple. It's the first time I've ever caught anything on purple.
I'm about ready to go to the frog. Whoa!
Yeah!
You were just reeling that thing back. She's onto
Oh,
something.
yeah.
That is
Nice, nice.
That's a good one.
A lot nicer.
That is a lot better bass.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Whoa! Do not hook yourself. You want me to get it?
It's a fighter.
Beat it in the head with a paddle, then we'll get Gary.
I know. Oh, sorry, fella. You did it to yourself.
A lot better bass this time around. You need to get yourself some lucky pliers.
I have some huge ones in there, but
Because you'll find out you can hook yourself very easy by doing that. You just get pliers, grab hold of it. Like that. It's harder to do when you're not holding the fish.
Better.
Very nice. That's a pound and a half.
Mhm.
Nice bass. Topwater action.
action it was. Bye, little friend.
And there he goes.
Oh,
Whoa!
yeah, there we
I
go.
saw that. I just happened to turn this way. She is tearing them up with this little purple Gary bait.
Yeah.
Like matches her hair.
Sorry, friend.
Whoa.
Ooh. Thank your pliers.
All right. You want me to get him?
Maybe I just don't want to. Really, it's in its neck. You don't want to hurt it.
He's still alive. Mwah. Whoa! It's like a gunshot going off. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Almost.
She had another hit. Dang it. I'm getting ready to switch. But look at where we're at. Like this is just, this is like the holy land for frogs. Oh!
All right.
All right. Here we go. I'm gonna see how far out
Oh,
there.
right there.
Is there a hit?
Yeah.
Go ahead, I'll let you throw back there.
You.
Go!
No, you handed me my fish. I'll hand you yours.
All right, let's see if I can get it through here.
Oh no, my precious. How did that happen?
I don't know.
It got fished out. It's time to go home. I like the
See if I can
anyway.
walk
It's
the
good.
dog through here.
Oh,
There we go, finally. It's not a monster, but it is a good one. Thank you, Emily.
yeah, buddy.
She found the fish and said, go ahead and catch it. So I did.
I could say lots of sexist things at this time. Lots of funny things.
And thank you for just keeping quiet in the back. Ow, he tried to bite me. You ever have them try to, like when you stick your finger way down there, those whatever that is starts like pulling on you?
I don't know. I'm trying
That's a
to.
nasty feeling. Mwah. There we go. We're all tied up now. Or not. Whoa. Or not. Just throw it in the water. It's no good. Let me see that when you're done. I want to try it real quick.
I love this pole.
All right. We got a popper on there. Now you should, like that. See how I'm, pop it, stop it, pop it, stop it. And you kind of want to make it spit. There you go.
Yeah.
A little bitty thing, but
Hey, it earned its keep now.
caught a fish. Good to go. This bait will work for her now. See what I did there? Ah, I hooked me now. All right. I bought it before it came out. Somebody just popped up with one on eBay before they even released them. And so I bought it. But it's so small, light, and it works real good.
Yeah, it does.
Now it's got, you could put them in any of these reels. It's got hybrid ceramic spool bearings, which,
There you go. It took it. Wow.
I got it. Another one.
Yeah, you and that.
I didn't set the hook because yours was, oh,
Oh, you can keep it.
sorry. It's my new favorite bait.
It's your bait now.
She was like cursing this thing and it's horrible, and I've cast
Oh,
it like,
top water's on. They're popping all
Yeah.
over.
you want to trade back
It's
now?
not the popper. It's the magic
You just
hour.
actually have to pop it.
Effortless casting, not
Yeah.
when I full arm cast.
Well, this brand new is a $100 rod. That is like a $450 rod new. Oh, there we go. Get out of your way.
Keep her up. Keep her steady.
Got a good one on.
Oh, I thought it went in the moss. Maybe not as good as it feels on this pole. Dang. Feels like a river monster. Really, it does. It's a good action pole.
You want it?
Yeah. Hi, friend. Fred.
There you go. That one's Fred.
Again.
Gary, Fred.
I don't know what to call the big one yet. We'll get there.
The big ones are females, just so you know.
The one I caught was a male, wasn't it, last week? With
I don't think so. Maybe you just wanted it to be a male.
maybe. The spoonbill that I caught snapping.
Here, you can
At
clean
the end
that.
of the
It's kind of
season,
gunked
everybody's
up.
like, it's a fat mama, it's a female,
Huh.
it's a female.
I'm pretty sure that was a female you caught last week.
This, here? Yeah. But
Yeah.
snagging, everybody was so, like,
Yeah, same.
it was a boy.
All right, I'm going at it with the frog again. I lost my rod and reel. Whoa, shoot. Emily decides she likes it better than she likes me, so she won't give it back. What are you gonna do? Kick her out of the boat? Well, I could. That'd make for a good video. But I'm too nice for that.
I I'm too mean for that.
Of course, right. I was going to say she would probably somehow manage to get me knocked out of the boat.
You say whopper plopper, I'm gonna say black and yellow because it's only caught like one.
Black and yellow, black and yellow. Ain't that a song?
Yep. These things and moss are like horrible.
My frog shake brings all the big bass to the boat. I'm going to make a song out of that. How about a stick of dynamite?
Stick of dynamite.
We're going to dynamite these sons of bees out of here. Right there. Oh boy. Buckle up and hang on. Told you.
Did you get the big one?
No. It's a bass though. I just looked and I saw that. I was like, oh, that's a perfect spot for a bass to be setting. And sure enough, nice topwater frog bass. I don't know if any of this will make it to the, you kids will be able to see it at home, but mwah. Somebody got wet. Put some of that on right now. There we go. Oh yeah. On the frog. Oh man, I think I killed him. He bounced off the trolling motor. Poor little guy. He was like in for a hurting. Like got jacked up worse than the Avengers did.
Oh, horrible.
All right, everybody, we're out of here. It's dark. It's time to go. So we're going to put an end to this video. I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in and watching. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Help share this channel. And like always, guys, thanks for watching.
Adios. Like and subscribe.
All right. That is a very nice bass. Let's call it. Biggest one I've caught this year.